Hi, I'm Reynaldo, an engineering team manager at Squarespace. Today, I'm going to show you how Squarespace makes running your consulting business more efficient, more professional, and more profitable. From intake to invoices, Squarespace helps you spend less time managing your business and more time growing it. As a consultant, your expertise is your greatest asset. Admin tasks can take time away from your clients and your growth. Here's how you can simplify those tasks and focus more on what matters most. Let's start with Invoice, which is included with every Squarespace website plan. Squarespace makes it easy to customize and send professional, branded invoices, whether you bill by the hour, charge a flat rate for a project, or work on a retainer. To get started, simply head over to Invoicing. From here, creating an invoice is quick and intuitive. Enter client details, add line items, and easily apply discounts or taxes as needed. And you can personalize each invoice with your branding and a custom message for your clients. Work with the same client regularly? Set up a recurring invoice. Automatically send invoices to clients at regular intervals, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or whatever suits your business, so you never miss a billing cycle again. Your clients get predictable, professional invoices, and you get paid on time every time. Before you can get paid, you've got to get hired. Squarespace helps you make a strong first impression with detailed proposals and estimates that match your branding. Clients can view and accept documents online, and you can track the status directly in Squarespace. You can also create and send contracts, clearly outlining terms to protect both you and your clients and ensure everyone is on the same page from day one. Collect all the details you need to qualify leads and simplify client intake with customizable contact forms on your website. Spend time with leads that are better fit for your business, ensure a smooth onboarding experience for your clients, and reduce the time you spend on back and forth. Squarespace Payments lets your client pay invoices securely and conveniently and helps you keep more of what you earn. You can easily accept ACH direct payments with a low 1% fee capped at just $10 per payment on the advanced website plan. You can provide a seamless client payment experience and save on payment processing, especially for larger consulting projects. Squarespace provides everything you need on one platform: professional invoicing with automatic recurring billing, branded proposals, estimates, and contract management, easy to create custom contact forms, secure and low-cost payments, including ACH direct debit, and if you're starting out, you can easily register a new custom domain directly through Squarespace to legitimize your business. Running a consulting business can be complicated, but with Squarespace, you have all the tools you need to simplify your workflow, elevate your client experience, and focus more on growing your business. And remember, you've got this.